Can you give me letter M?
More pressure than they need to.
M.
It's so hard not to lose.
M. Give it to me. M. Michaela.
Someone's ADD's kicking
A.
in.
Put the letter A. Why not? Put letter B. A B. Get it? Put it back. Can you give me letter P?
This is interesting to watch. You've got
P?
the Chinese are staying.
A P. Good job. Can you give me letter R?
And then all of a sudden it could knock them off their game.
Good job. R. Give me letter S. S.
But still,
Snake. S. Beside the letter R is S. No? That's letter S. Yes. Good job. Can you give me letter T? T. Turtle. A T. Good job. Can you give me letter M? M. M for Mika. M. What? Okay. Back. What's this letter? A. What's this letter? What's this letter? S. What's this letter? R. What's this letter? P. What's this letter? B. What's this letter? L. What's this letter? K. What's this letter? J. What's this letter? I. What's this letter? H. What's this letter? G. What's this letter? F.
You can't buy it.
F. What's this letter? Mika, what's this letter? Mika, what's this letter? D. What's this letter? E. What's this letter? C. What's this letter? Y. Good.